are ready to do a little bit of texturing and coloring. Now on this one, because this is actually a ceramic, it doesn't really have any fish scales, but I want to make fish scales even if they're not that noticeable on a real trout, just because it's fun. So this is a tip number 402, or you can use a round tip. This is a tip number 10. And what you want to do is just take this and pop in. Okay, so the round part, it's like a smiley face. You jab in with the smiley face. You can take the smaller one if you want, do some smaller ones in between. See how easy that is? So I'm not going straight in, I'm at an angle. So I'm just going to go over the whole thing. And just kind of here and there. I almost felt like I was doing a straight line right there, which is something you don't want to do. So just here, there. You want to have them going all the same direction though. I mean, I don't want to turn this around now and go the opposite way. Make sure while you're doing this that everything's still in the right spot, because right now you can still fix it. If you take too long and it sets up, then you won't be able to readjust. You'd have to take it off and redo it, and we don't want to do that, do we? We just speed it up. Get right in down here. And I'm going to leave the face area smooth. I'll put some up here on the top, back here. Make sure you get around that fin area. And you can get under the fin and everything, but you're not going to see it, so why waste the time? But I do want to get down here a little bit. And I'd leave the belly part a little bit smooth. I'll just go in with a couple of these smaller ones. Those scales, yeah. And voila! Okay, we are ready to color it. You could do it a couple different ways. You could airbrush it if you wanted, if you have an airbrush. But to make this look a little bit more realistic, I actually want to dry dust it with luster dust. Luster dust are non-toxic dusting powders you can get at your cake supply store, or you can find them online.